What's up, online shoppers? I just got this really awesome little microwave ramen bowl gifted to me by the brand, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. Now, I've always wanted to have a ramen bowl because I have ramen frequently, and now I have the way to do it even more conveniently. Now, the bowls come in a variety of different color combinations. This one here is the pink and blue, but there are also 7 other color choices, everything from yellow and green to pink and purple to black and red. You really just get to pick the color that you want. So all you have to do is do a nice, easy twist with this thumb button, and it opens up. You get a little fork. This little cup holds the right amount of liquid for your ramen, and it's a microwave safe bowl. Now, the underside of the lid has your chopstick. So the chopsticks will go together just like that. 1 and 2, they go together nice and easy. You have the choice then of your stainless steel chopsticks or of this beautiful little plastic fork that you have. This lid is designed for microwaving, so all you have to do is pull off the little silicone tab that seals it. So now you have a pressure vent as well. And I love too that it connects through with a stopper so that even when you're not using it, you're not going to lose it if you put it down, and then it just pops back into place either after you're done or for transport. Now let's talk about some of the other awesome features of this little ramen bowl. Now, for one, I love that it has a really convenient handle here so that when I'm taking my ramen bowl out of the microwave, I'm not scalding my hands because I have to grab the bowl right here. I also love that I've got a lid. I can put my ramen in here and then just need a water source so that I can cook it. I love that once I'm done, I can throw my utensils in here if I don't have access to a sink to clean it up. Just put the lid on, close it up, nice and easy like that, and it's ready to go. As well, the little microwave ramen bowl is dishwasher friendly, although I probably would want to hand wash my chopsticks. This microwave ramen bowl by AI Love Peace is a fantastic little product. It's really cute. I love the color combinations, the easy to remove lid, the fact that they give you 2 different kinds of utensils so it can travel with you. Just remember to take these out of the bowl before you microwave your food. And I just think I love anything that makes life simple and easier, and this one here, the microwave ramen bowl by AI Peace, is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.